Hi all my gorgeous, welcome back to part 2. This is Hema from Shivani's Verdict, spreading colors globally. Now the part 2 is going to be, most of the things are going to be cottons. Let us start this show. The first one is a beautiful white color with embroideries all over. Such a nice fabric it is. It's a cotton fabric. See this. So it's a nice white color and this is the pant and this comes with the dupatta. Dupatta is also, it is like a floral embroidery. It is called as yells. To make it simple, it is a hakoba kind of, and you can find all over. Lovely, beautiful. It's so beautiful. Embroideries, and then see this. The second color is this. So all of you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you are liking anything, if you're not a website person or not a tech person or not interested in ordering website, so you can directly WhatsApp us 9585501762. Rest of the people straight away log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com under the heading Cotton Salwar Materials, and then place your orders. And see this. It's a all over chicken work embroidery. It's a machine embroidery, it's not hand work. It gives you that chicken work effect all over. And this is the floral printed pant, and the surprise is this soft cotton floral printed dupatta. So nice. It's very lightweight also. It's easily accessible and it's easy maintenance. And I've got lovely colors in this. See this color? Oh my god. And the other color is this peach color. So all the colors, all the three colors are really fantastic. It all depends on your choices, how you want it, which color you want it, and how you want to wear. You can go for plazos, patialas, or else parallel pants. So for this floral, these things suits a lot. And what's next? See, these are two different colors in same embroideries. It's a half linen by cotton fabric. The flow is too good. It could be called as a casual wears, office wears, however you want it to. And the surprise is the dupatta. This portion comes over here, this embroidery portion. So something really different and really new, novel. So the second color is this. It's a indigo or blue color. I wanted to open the dupatta and show. The speciality is the dupatta. So this comes this way, and that's it. And the embroideries on all the four sides. Okay, what's next in Shivani's Boutique? See, this is a lovely cotton top. Both are same. I'll open this black. The colors are different. Lovely cotton weaving, and this is the pant for this. And the surprise is this kalamkari printed dupatta. So, how lovely it is. You can wash it and wear it. These are all really easy maintenance. So the second is the maroon color. So nice and fine. Hope you guys enjoying this angle and a new setup, new background. Please give away your comments. However we wanted to improve. So this is how the dupatta is. Then the next one is this. It's a hot design all the time. Even I have the salwar. It's so nice and amazing. One is the black color. The other one is a deep bottle green color. Comes with the beautiful embroideries. See this? Nice colorful ones. And this is the pant. And this comes with the cotton dupatta. So nice and fine. Alright. What's next? See this. These are all casual, so good. It is all 1600 ranges. Four beautiful colors. I'll open one and show. This don't need a lining inside because the fabric as such is really thick. And this is the cotton pant and bandhani printed cotton dupatta. with all the tassels and everything. So this is how it is. So we have got 4 nice colors. See, this is a deep blue with this pink combination, and this is black with this combination, and this is a pale coffee brown with this lovely combination. Alright, and what's next? See, this is a modal silk top. Nice color it is, so nice chocolatey pink color it is. It's a nice modal silk top. You can find a neck pattern on it. It varies in printed, and this is the pant for this, and in the chiffon dupatta. The second color is this. All the colors are so nice and amazing. And what's next? These are all casual wears, office wears. Just like that, you can go for the ranges 2,200. See this. So I'll open this black and show. So this is how it is. Top, pant, and it's a soft cotton dupatta. So this is really lightweight also. Easy maintenance, and the second color is this indigo blue color. The prints are so nice and amazing, and see this once again, only the print changes. This is also a deep indigo blue color. Whichever you want it, you can go for it. And see this batik, 1 and 2 colors. Photo see, this is a deep maroon color with this pant and this nice chiffon dupatta. So this is how it is, and the second color is this. So this is the top, and this is the pant batik, and this is the dupatta for this. All are so nice and elegant and very, very comfortable to wear also. However, the next one is this nice cotton buns, regular casual wears, easy maintenance it is. So see this. So this is the pant, and this comes with the cotton dupatta. Only the print changes, but the concepts are one and the same. 1, 2, and then see this. So next comes our white. White with blue prints. The top, and polka dots pant with this fine cotton dupatta. It's amazingly fine. Something really nice and beautiful. And the second, only the print changes. So it's a plain pant with a printed dupatta. And what's next? See this. Something really good. And third color, and then fourth color. I'll open this half white. It's a nice cotton fabric, and this is the pant for this, and see the dupatta. So nice. Printed, polka dots printed dupatta, and let me show the color. See the color combination. Blood red with this half white and black. All comes with a vertical stripe pant and deep indigo blue. So nice. Let me see the range of this. 1,600. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. 95855017762 is our WhatsApp number. www.shibanisboutique.com is our website ID. Or else you just click the above link which is mentioned in our just above the video, so that it will straight away leads you to that page. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with loads and loads of new, good, fresh arrivals.